Ryan here from Android Calls. I'm going to show you how to do the pop-up window option in the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring up an app, and then what you're going to do is drag from the corner. Whoops. There we go. Right spot. And now it's a floatable window. You can tap here to change what, if you want it split screen, or you can change the opacity of that. So if you're working over something else, oops. And then you can see if you ever swipe away that near little icon, I can bring it back. And I can make it minimized to go away. I can bring it back. I can make it full screen again, or bring it back down. So then the nice thing is then you got to drag this part here. You can drag it around, move it as you need. Now if you want another one, let's say you bring up this one, I can do the same thing. I'm going to minimize, whoops, that. Right, close that window off, and I can still use this app. I can still use this app, move it around. I can minimize, minimize. And let's bring up one more. Let's bring up the gallery. Same thing, gonna make that. I can bring that around. Let's just get it right. So there we go. There's our apps floating around. I can put this wherever I want. Tap it. Bring up the app I want. Bring up the other app I want. Play around with that. I can play around with the opacity. Right. Okay. Oops. Right. So, right, and bring up this guy. Right. And then if you touch any of the corners, you're going to change the size as you need. So a pretty neat little feature. You can have a little bit of that, multi-window display. Not super easy or intuitive to get into and figure out, but that's how I use it. Thanks.